Welcome back to Cruising America. Today we're hiking the Fighting Creek Nature Trail in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth-wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. The Fighting Creek Nature Trail gets you out into the depths of the gorgeous Smoky Mountain forest within a stone's throw of downtown Gatlinburg. This trail starts at the Sugarlands Visitor Center. Walk past the restrooms into the woods and cross the creek bridge, where the trail splits with the Cataract Falls Trail. The latter trail is very popular, but the nature trail isn't. That's not to say the trail isn't worth hiking. It is, because you can explore an old homestead, but most importantly, the trail points out the local flora, making it a great educational hike for children. The length and location at the park entrance makes it a great trail for people on a tight schedule. And of course, it's a great trail for people not able to take more strenuous hikes. All Trails labels this trail as easy, but we'd rate it moderate for trail composition and terrain because it gets a little technical in some places with roots and rocks. Plus, depending on weather, water on the trail may be an issue. If your legs are compromised in any way, you would incur elevated risk hiking this trail. It's not wheelchair, walker, or crutch accessible. The forest here includes a nice mix of trees: sycamore, sassafras, hickories, butternut, sweet birch, and shortleaf pine among them. Common animals of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park and surrounding area include black bears, otters, white-tailed deer, elk, butterflies, fireflies, and hundreds of other critters. Midway, at the loop's turnaround point, you'll come across its historical showpiece, the John Ownby Cabin, dating to around 1860. Restored by the National Park Service, you can walk inside and admire the craftsmanship and ponder the backwoods life. An entire family lived in this small house, common for the times. The cabin is the oldest remaining building from the Forks of the River community. The National Register of Historic Places added the building to their list in 1976. This trail is notorious for black bear activity and is sometimes inaccessible when the bears are frequenting the area. We strongly recommend carrying bear spray. In addition to the advantages of being at the park entrance, informative, and a short hike, the major bonus is Cataract Falls. When you return to the starting point of the trail just across the footbridge, turn left and follow the trail. The nearly flat, easy trail follows the creek and only takes an average of 19 minutes to complete. There's plenty to keep even little hikers engaged, from the creek itself to a wide variety of plants and possibly animals along Fighting Creek, which you'll follow for the short walk. The waterfall is comprised of two low-flow streams totaling a 25-foot drop into a small pool below. The waterfall is most impressive immediately following a period of rain. That being said, this makes for an easy and beautiful nature hike with water views of Fighting Creek even during the drier periods. If you're looking to take pictures or video of the falls without people, come early on a weekday. While the falls are quite entertaining for the kids, watch them closely. It's tempting for them to start climbing, which is dangerous given how the falls are almost always wet and very slippery.